It's my pleasure to introduce Kim Inslee as a recipient of this year's VANTAGE Gold Partner Award. Kim's contributions to VANTAGE have been invaluable, particularly in helping start the digital journalism strand. Since then, Kim has been a dedicated guest instructor, providing her journalism expertise and knowledge to all digital journalism students. She mentors a student every year, providing an incredible opportunity to learn from her deep experience in the media industry. Kim sits on the VANTAGE Advisory Board, where she contributes her insights and recommendations for improving VANTAGE. Her connections have been instrumental in strengthening the relationship between the program and the media industry. We are grateful for Kim's contributions, and we are proud to recognize her this year with the Gold Partner Award. Thank you, Kim, for all you do for VANTAGE students and the program.
I feel the connection to help the kids move on to the next part of their lives and to show them the possibilities out there, to listen, to provide a sounding board, helps build confidence in that student, but it also helps me stay connected to that generation as well, which is a huge advantage for me.
Kelly Spees is a remarkable individual and our second recipient of the VANTAGE Gold Partner Award this year. Kelly has been an integral part of the VANTAGE program, going above and beyond when it comes to volunteering her time and talents. It's obvious that servant leadership is at her core. Kelly is a shining example of what it means to be a mentor. She connects deeply with her student mentees and has recruited many additional mentors to join our program. She's been a project partner many times and has recruited other project partners. Kelly rallies our community repeatedly as VANTAGE grows. Kelly's tireless commitment to VANTAGE is unmatched. She is always the first to sign up for any opportunity, whether providing feedback as a project coach, serving as a Shark Tank judge, or volunteering at HR Day. We are honored to recognize Kelly with the Gold Partner Award. Her dedication and passion are truly inspiring. Congratulations, Kelly, and thank you for all you do.
It's a great reminder of what gives me energy and finding ways to leverage my strengths and continue to improve on my opportunities. I love learning from everyone. They teach me as much as I hopefully teach them. And most recently, it's been a blast that I actually got to hire my first 2 VANTAGE students.